Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see all your transfers on the Remitly app. So once you're inside the Remitly app, guys, and you're under the currency that you want to see all those transfer for, because how it works with Remitly is that depending on the currency that you choose, those transfer will be under those different currencies. So as you can see here, I'm under the Bangladesh currency. And if I click on the edit on the upper right hand side, I can choose another currency. So let's say I'm going to choose, I don't know, El Salvador, right? You will see that I've never sent money to this country before. They have no contact details and there's no recipients, right? So that's how you know it. So in case you want to check your history, ensure that you check a country that you already sent to, and basically you'll be able to see contact details and all those good stuff transfer from that country. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down to the section that says transfers, and you just want to click and view all on the upper right hand side of that section, and you will be able to see all transfers here. You're able to see ones that are in progress, ones that are delivered, and basically all transfers going to be the default option here. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple.